Hi, this is my who am I presentation, and I'm Michael. Yeah, so let's just get this started. This is me. Yeah, I know. Shocked at that one Canadian dollar bill. Yeah, I know. Next. So as you see, I have 3 pets. I have 2 cats and 1 dog. They're all rescues. Both my cats were rescued from feral cat colonies in another part of the province. And my dog, oh no, I was not done yet. I was gonna talk about my dog. And my dog, he was rescued from the capital city of Taiwan, which is Taipei. Next. My favorite TV show is The Office because it is so dang funny. So what are my hobbies? The first one, which everyone knows, is annoying the class so hard. It is always. The second is watching YouTube vid because, you know, it's a good way to get some, do free time, you know. Another is recording emergency vehicles because it's good and all. And another thing I like doing is watching NASCAR. Yes. That's Kevin Hart, by the way. Alright, next. Something I do in my free time, can you click the link? And yes, no Rickroll. And put it on full volume. Oh, what do you do? I was the link.
Okay.
There. Yeah, let it go through. I'm just gonna meditate while you guys listen to this. This is a good way to go in my classes.
6 views.
Yes.
Oh my. Did you do this?
Maybe.
6
Yeah,
views.
I made it unlisted though, just so it's not public. Because yes.
How long is it, man?
1 minute 20 seconds. It's a bit longer, I know. I caught, anyone to some extent, I caught more videos than what's actually in this.
What kind of siren is that? Were you private?
Alright, you can go back now. Yes, it's finally over. Yeah. So we can go to the next. This is my music taste. Yeah, it's Skillet. It's one of my favorites. Simple Plan and Imagine Dragons. They're all my favorites. Things I dislike. Of course, YouTube removing the dislike button because it is so freaking annoying. And there's no emergency vehicles, of course. And the biggest thing I hate is when things I love doing cancel because it's so annoying. Right. So what are the easier parts of math? Addition and then sometimes multiplication. Yeah. What is hard about math? Giving us a lot of homework, giving us surprise tests and pop quizzes, and division. How do I learn best? Making it simple and describing in details. What helps me learn best is taking it slow and simple and using a multiplication sheet. Thanks for listening, but I think you could not hear me after hearing those sirens.